I know, it is
Same
really hard
here.
with our
I'm
schedule.
with you, Damon.
Yeah. Okay, well, looking good this morning. This is a live glance from the Old Mill camera. West toward the Ochre Mountains, a sunny and mild start to the day. 57 in Salt Lake with a breeze south 7 miles per hour. Now, high pressure that started to warm us up yesterday is moving east, and that's allowing a southerly flow to develop. That's what helps the temperature climb even higher today. However, by tomorrow, those winds are going to be picking up even more. They'll become very gusty, especially over western Utah. And there's going to be moisture that'll be caught up within that flow, increasing on Friday and Saturday, that could fuel some showers and thunderstorms. Those would be most likely over the mountains and into northeast and east central Utah. Now, tomorrow, those would be dry storms, bringing the gusty winds with a better chance of rain heading into the weekend. So those are some other factors we're going to have to deal with. But today, you'll just be looking for ways to keep cool with our temperature climbing all the way up to 97 in Salt Lake, about 20 degrees higher than it was yesterday, even though it's not quite into record territory. It'll be mid-80s in Park City, mid-90s in Ridgefield, St. George. You'll make it up to 105 degrees this afternoon. We'll get some winds picking up in the western part of the state, south at about 15 to 25 miles per hour, so getting very breezy. But otherwise, tomorrow, as the winds increase and the fact that it's so dry, we'll have high fire danger. With the strong gusty winds continuing to increase, we'll also get some blowing dust, which could make travel difficult on Friday, especially over the western part of the state. Now, on Saturday, temperature will drop slightly in St. George. Father's Day is going to be looking and feeling pretty nice, sunny and hovering near 90 degrees, and then early next week you'll start to warm up again as high pressure rebuilds. In fact, back near 100 on Tuesday and all the way up to 102 by Wednesday. And for northern Utah tomorrow, it's going to get even hotter, 100 degrees in Salt Lake City, or at least coming pretty close to that. It'll be partly cloudy with a slight chance of those mainly dry thunderstorms in the afternoon, which might bring some gusty winds. Those are possible on Saturday as well, but by then we'll start to cool off a little bit. Still pretty warm with a high of 94, but then partly cloudy to low 80s on Father's Day, and by Monday, briefly dropping down into the upper 70s, but not for long. We'll bounce back into the mid 90s by the middle of next week.